With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, question is each question contains statement 1 that is assertion and statement 2 reason. Examine the statements carefully and mark the correct answer according to the instructions given below. Statement 1 is the melting point of ice decreases with increase of pressure, and statement 2 is ice contracts on melting. So in this question we are given two statements, one is assertion and other is reason. We have to choose the correct answer, that the assertion and reason are correct or not, and the reason is the correct explanation for the assertion or not. So first statement is saying that melting points of ice decreases with increase of pressure. So if we talk about the general case when as ice is solid and when it melts it converts to liquid water. So if we talk about the general case when solid converts to liquid, so the volume will increase. Volume will increase because due to less intermolecular force of attractions, the volume of liquid particles is more as compared to the solid, so volume increases. It means if volume is increasing, the expansion taking place, expansion occurs. It means the expansion is taking place. But if it is given increase of pressure, if we are increasing pressure, if a system which is expanding and we are increasing pressure, if we are increasing pressure, it means we are hindering this process of expansion by applying the pressure. So if we are hindering this process by applying the pressure, we have to apply more heat energy. It means more heat energy is to be applied. So if more heat energy is to be applied, it means the melting point of that solid will increase. Melting point will increase because due to the process of expansion which is occurring, if we increase the pressure, we are hindering the expansion process. In order to counteract, we have to apply more energy to convert the solid into liquid. It means the melting of solid to liquid, it requires more heat energy. It means the melting point increases. But in case of water, the ice which is solid, its volume is more than the liquid water. Volume is more of the ice than that of liquid water. So when the solid ice melts to water, it means the volume is decreasing. When ice melts to form water, liquid water, so volume will decrease because the ice has more molar volume as compared to liquid water, so volume will decrease. It means contraction is taking place. It means the ice contracts when it melts. So this statement 2 is correct. Ice contracts on melting. But if we are increasing pressure, if a system which is contracting, it means contracting means decreasing in volume, and if we are applying the pressure, increasing the pressure on that system, we are supporting this process. So if we are supporting the contraction process, it means we have to apply less heat energy as compared to that of the earlier. It means the melting point will decrease. So melting point of ice will decrease on applying the pressure because the volume is decreasing. It means contraction is taking place and we are also applying the pressure. So the pressure applied also supporting the process of contraction. So less heat energy is to be applied. Less heat energy is to be applied than earlier. So melting point of ice will decreases on increasing with pressure. So statement 1, that is assertion, is also correct, and statement 2 is reason is the correct explanation for the assertion, because ice when it contracts on melting, so the melting point will decrease, means the heat energy is required less with increase of pressure. So both these statements are correct and the statement 2 is correct explanation for the statement 1. So A option is the correct answer for this. I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.